Hello guys, if you do not know if your laptop display is damaged or not, and if you want to know how to replace your laptop display, just watch this video. So first of all, you just have to uncover the plastic part of your laptop display, and after that guys, you have to open these pins by screwdrivers. So when you remove those pins, now guys, you have to uh, remove this part, your display, and behind it there is a cable which connects your display. You can see that you just have to remove this part, and now you can check this laptop display on another PC which is in a working condition. So right now my motherboard is not working, so I just want to check my display. So I have to use another laptop to check, and let's head to the new another laptop which is in a working condition. So let's head to that, and just you have to just connect those cable, and let's see